So I think right now I'm leaning towards pushing content through our Google Classroom and then popping in and out of the students' assignments with a Screencastify video to offer personalized feedback, give the students a chance to see my face because that is so much more meaningful than just a comment in the slides or in the docs. Another type of formative assessment that I'm planning on using is the use of Google Form, especially making them into a quiz. That way the students can get that immediate feedback on, which area of the content do they have gaps, which are they successful on, and then offering them feedback in order to move forward or enrich them if they need to. A final opportunity for formative assessment is a program called Edulastic, which is a great program to get live data on how the students are progressing with the skills, the content area, and it offers great individualized reports with the specific standards. So tell me if they're doing well on one standard versus another. So those are the three that I'm going to be using currently. Screencastify for personalized feedback, Google Forms for feedback directly to the students, as well as Edulastic for feedback directly to the students. It's going to be interesting, but we're all in this together. Every teacher is the same, so I'm excited to see what other teachers are doing.